Hello, welcome to my channel Preschool Made Easy. In this video I am showing you how can you make beautiful throne for your Ganpati. To make it easier, I am taking a glass bowl and these are some papers. Apply some glue on these papers and paste it on this glass bowl. You don't need to be perfect here because I want to cover this bowl only, so this work doesn't need perfection. This is all covered. The top surface of this bowl is 7 centimeter. So measure 3.5 centimeter in the scale and cut 4 circles from a card paper. Now glue all these 4 circles and take a piece of paper to cover this circle. Take a strip and fold this many times. Draw a petal here. Now when you cut this petal, you will get a number of flower petals. Apply some glue on the circle and paste these petals on the circle. Now paste this piece on the top surface of bowl. And the base is ready. Now to make flowers, take a full sheet of paper. Fold this 3 times vertically. Now fold this paper in half and fold this again. To make flower, I'm taking 7 inches diameter circle and I have measured 3.5 inches in scale. Now cut circle. Fold the paper very nicely and you will get a number of circles at a time. Now I need to make spirals. Cut out the spirals. You can draw a spiral before you cut. Fold the paper very firmly. This requires little perfection actually. I'm playing with paper since long, so this is tip of my finger. Now take a spiral and start rolling from this end. Keep rolling just like this. When you get to this end, simply roll over the bottom. Let it uncoil to whatever you desire the size. This is how it will look. Put some glue on the base and press it down for some seconds. This is super easy flower with paper. Make some more flowers by using this method. Now put some glue on the base of the flower and paste it on the bowl like this. This is how it's going to look. This is looking beautiful. Now take a full sheet, fold it half and make crease. Fold this half again and make crease. Again fold into half. Now make folding fan by reversing the sheet. Cut petal on the end. If you miss cutting the papers inside, don't panic. Just open the pleats and cut as you require. Just like this. Do the same on the other end as well. Now tie a thread in the middle. Apply glue and paste it together. And this is looking like a flower. Put your ball on this flower. This is how it is going to look. To make this more attractive, take 4 inches wide strip, fold this half vertically and then fold this 2 times more. Draw a design and cut this out. You can make any design you like. You can be more and more creative with this work. Put glue and paste this design between the petals of the flower. This is how it is going to look. This is looking very pretty and beautiful. You can make roses of any color of your choice. Creativity has no limits. Ganpati will definitely bless if you make this beautiful rose throne for him. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this, please share this with your friends and subscribe my channel for more creative videos. And if you have any problem, you can ask me in the comment box. Pleasure will be all mine.